Modern Indian art. What is modern art? Refers to the Indian art from the late 19th century onwards, marked by a break from traditional styles and fusion with modern ideas. Artists express individual freedom, social themes, and national identity. The key phase of the modern Indian art is has three has 5 points, and that is colonial period. What are the key phases of the modern Indian art? It's none other than the colonial period, the Bengal school, the Santiniketan school, post-independence era, contemporary art. The colonial period is from the late 19th to early 20, late 19 to early 20, the Bengal school early 20, post independence after or from onwards, 1947 onwards. In Bombay, 1947. Founders are F.N. Zauza, M.F. Hussain, S.H. Raza, Akbar, Padamsi. Goal: make Indian art model bold and international. Themes: urban life, human struggle, identify and abstraction. So the theme of painting after the that is during post independence was the urban life, to know the human struggles, identify an abstraction. Contemporary art, that was late 20th century till now. Artists explore installation, digital art, feminism, politics, environment. Notable names: Anish Kapoor, Sabodh Gupta, Batikher, Nalini Malini. So those are the notable names during the contemporary art: Anish Kapoor, Sabodh Gupta, Batikher, Nalini Malini. The key characteristics of modern Indian art are the individual expression and innovation, blend of Indian themes with global styles, cubism, expressionism, abstraction, social, political, and personal narratives. Diverse media are the canvas, sculpture, mixed media, installation. So now comes the important modern artists. So those are the artist. Raja Ravi Verma is known for the mythological themes in European styles. Mythological themes in European styles, not in Indian styles. Okay, mythological themes in European styles. Abhindranath Tagore is for the Bharat Mata wash technique, and wash technique was from yes, Japan. Next, Nandal Bosch. Nandal Bosch is known for the nature and Swadeshi spirit. Nandal Bosch. Ram Kinkar Baich is known for the modern Indian sculpture. Okay, just remember as sculpture. Ram Kinkar Baich is known for the modern Indian sculpture. And then F.N. Souza. F.N. Souza is for the bold, expressive figure. And M.F. Hussain is known for the horses. Just remember M.F.H., right? M.F.H. in the sense H is for horses, mythology, and modern themes. M.F. Hussain is known for the horses and mythology, modern themes. S.H. Raza is known for the abstract bindu, colors, and symbolism. Now comes the important part, that is the quick CUET facts. It's none other than the modern Indian art, fusion of East and West, tradition and modernity. So the fusion of Eastern and Western, and then the tradition and modernity. PAG. You know what's PAG? Yes. Milestone in post independence Indian art. What is PAG? You all need to answer this in the comments. So next is the modern art reflected the freedom, experimentalization, and global dialogue. So during our modern art, we can just show the freedom, experimentalization, and the global dialogue of our feelings. Yes. Now let's revise about the visual timeline of the modern Indian art, which is very very important. So late 19th century means the colonial art of schools, Raja Ravi Verma mythology in oil painting, Bengal school, Bharat Mata and cultural nationalism, Santiniketan School is for nature, folk, and Indian identity. 1947 Progressive Artists Group, Sauza Hussain Abstract Styles, Contemporary Art, Installation, Global Voices, and Mixed Media.